your body and soul and overwhelm all your senses. They shut them all through these body strain. Voices cry, can never tell me inside. The slow is deep, no escape for it. The wolf is tired, the wolf is tired.